Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to create movie characters with Leonardo AI. Now what you have to do is that what you have to know is that you have to have a very good prompt for you to generate a very good image, and ChatGPT is going to help me with that. So while it is generating, now I can just do this because I have given it a series of prompts, so it knows exactly what it should generate for me. Now this is very good detailed prompt. Now all I have to do is to create to copy this prompt and take it to my Leonardo AI. So good. Now I'll have to change the model or preset here to cinematic Kino XL. This is for creating cinematic pictures, and let's say I want it to be which one should I choose? Let me leave it at cinematic, and then let me make it 16:9, which is landscape ratio. And now I can hit generate and wait for it to generate a very good image for me. Now it has generated the image. Now this is very beautiful, just so good. This is why I really love Leonardo AI. They give you very realistic images. I can just download this and create a movie or make anything I want to make with it. Isn't this beautiful? So if you've enjoyed this video, please consider leaving a comment below and subscribing to the channel. And if you have any problem, please leave it in the comment section. Thank you and do have a great day.